Hello and welcome to Just the Chords. Today we're going to be looking at The Smallest Man Who Ever Lived by Taylor Swift. This is a complicated song. Strap in. First, we're going to look at the chords, and then we're going to look at the progressions of these chords, the patterns that get us through the song. And lastly, we will look at the whole song as a full tutorial. We'll walk through it. Those 3 moments are in the description and key moments below. Let's get into the chords. So, first chord we're going to come across is a B flat chord, B flat, D, F, but it says B flat / F. We're going to see that a lot. So we want an F in the bottom, in the root as they say, and then that B flat chord can proceed. B flat over F, and then we want an E flat chord, and then we want an F5. Okay, so B flat over F, to an E flat major, E flat, G, B flat, to an F5, F and C only. After one of those patterns, we repeat it and it ends with an F major, so we add that A. Next chords we're going to see are G minor, G, B flat, D, G minor, and then we are going to see an F sus. So when we see that, we sustain the middle pitch and the F chord up to that B flat. So we have F, B flat, C. Not F major, but that middle note is suspended, F sus. Not suspicious, but suspended. F, B flat, C. And that is all the chords. Let's look at some of these patterns. I'm going to keep the sheet music on the screen when we go through the tutorial so you can see. The patterns are hard. In the verse, we constantly go back and forth between the 3/4 and 4/4 time signatures, meaning we'll count to 3 and then count to 4. Every other measure back and forth. It'll be a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. You get it. Back and forth until we get to that driving back half of the song and it's all 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, pounding. But the beginning helps us get that uneven, unsure, unsettled mix when we do the 3/4 and 4/4 back and forth. So we'll start out on a 3/4, watch closely, from that B flat over F to E flat to F5. It starts the same again, B flat over F, E flat, F5, F natural, right? We would do that 2 times. The next pattern starts on a G minor, again 3/4. Ready, we get G minor, E flat, F sus. Again, G minor, E flat, F. And those 2 back and forth uncertain patterns will get us through the whole first half of the song. When we get to that back driving bridge, did you send someone who wanted me dead? It's just a simple 4-chord pattern all the way through to the end. We're going to start on a B flat, then a G minor, then an F. We can add the 4, then an E flat. Again, that'll be B flat. On the quarter note beat in 4/4, E flat. Drives over and over. Let's get to the full song tutorial. I'm gonna have the sheet music on half the screen. I've not done this before, but for this complex 3/4, 4/4 mixed meter song, I felt it was necessary so you know where we're going with all the different chord changes. And I feel like it's necessary to hear Taylor's melody over it all to keep track. So that is what you will hear and see on the side of your screen. Get that B flat over F. And we'll start. G minor. G minor, F sus, ready, new pattern. No, my bad. Back pattern, B flat, G minor, F, E flat, B flat, repeats. Yes, keep driving it. Think ahead though. Dive for you, sit. Restart on B flat. Cool it out and hold on E flat and B flat 5. Nice work. Go through that again with me. Practice makes better. I loved playing with you today. I'll see you on the next video. Play on.